Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. Our word of the day is attempt, a B2 level noun meaning an effort to do something. So, what exactly does attempt mean? Well, think of it as trying to do something, often something that is difficult or challenging. It's the action you take when you aim for a goal or try to complete a task. You might make an attempt to bake a cake, for instance, or an attempt to learn a new language. The word suggests that success isn't guaranteed, but you're still putting in the effort. Let's look at some synonyms for attempt. Words like effort, endeavor, and try all share a similar meaning. For example, she made a valiant effort to finish the race, or his endeavor to climb the mountain was truly impressive. You could also say, I will try my best to solve this problem. Now, let's explore some antonyms, words with opposite meanings to attempt. Words like inaction, failure, or abandonment come to mind. His inaction led to the project's delay, or after many failures, he decided to change his strategy, and the abandonment of their hopes was a sad situation. Now, how might you use attempt in everyday life? You might say, I made an attempt to call you at 4 p.m., or she is making an attempt at learning to play the guitar. Another example would be, his first attempt was unsuccessful. Here are a few more usage examples. The company made an attempt to launch a new product, or she praised his brave attempt. To summarize, attempt is a noun that means an effort to do something. It is similar to effort, endeavor, and try, but opposite to inaction, failure, and abandonment. It's a word we use when talking about trying to achieve goals, often challenging ones. Thank you all for tuning in to Hello Word today. Your support really helps others find the show, so please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word attempt and share it in the comments below the video. Until next time, happy learning!